Coconut gunpowder, very tasty and easy, healthy dry coconut gunpowder. Now let us see how to prepare this gunpowder. First, take this dry coconut, make it small pieces. If you want, you can grate also. I usually do like this. Take 1 cup coconut pieces into a mixie jar and 1 cup of dry chilies. This is 2 spoons of cumin. I am using half of this. This half I will add later. Salt as per your taste. Make it coarse powder. Now add remaining cumin seeds. Now mix the cumin seeds well with the help of spoon. Tasty dry coconut gunpowder is ready to taste. This you can eat with steaming hot rice, and you can sprinkle on your vegetable fries also, like potato fry, lady finger fry. The prepared dry coconut gunpowder store in a bottle. You can store it in room temperature for 2 months. We can store this gunpowder in fridge for longer period also.